Okay, London session done. I'll make this quick. Didn't take much. There was lots of news, so it prevented me from entering some of the trades. Okay, so I took one on UK100. So yesterday it was or 2 days ago it was a bearish breakout day. This is the breakout level. Yesterday closed as an inside day above that breakout level. So this turns into a peak formation. And so today, London Open right here. UK100 tried to come out, then faked out the range, faked out the previous day high, and over here when it gave me an M15 low fake out, this is when I entered. This is a breakout setup for me. Breakout setup, previous H8 high breakout, previous day high breakout, and I enter on the retracement buy after a previous M15 low fake out. So we're above the H8 high. Didn't quite break out of the previous day high, but I expected it to continue the move. So once this gave this M15 bullish fake out bar happened, this is when I set my order, looking for stop loss at the low of that candle and taking this up to the previous day's range. When there's an inside day, it extends the range of the previous day. So I was trading up to that. Unfortunately, there was news, and so I went to protect my position, put my stop loss above my break-even level, and then I got taken out at break-even on the way down. And then I had an entry here. This is another M15 fake out. I could have actually taken it here, but it was close. It was 50 minutes before, or a few minutes before the 4-hour candle, and I waited for the 4-hour candle because most of the time these big candles will create wicks, right? Top wicks, top and bottom wicks. Almost all the time you'll see these wicks created, and so I would expect this to have come down, or at least I would hope that it would have come down and faked out the previous H1 low. So I had an alert there, didn't come down, and so there was no trade for me. So that was it. Took one breakout trade, break even. Actually, I think I got in even lower than this. The next candle pulled down, and I did come in right as previous day high broke. So it was about 1.5 hour right before the news. I could have, instead of going break even, what I could have done is if I had over 1 hour, I could have taken over 50% profit, and that would have been another way to be break even whilst still being in protected by all these levels. So I could have still been in this. Don't know if it'll break out, but my session's done. Not gonna continue anything. So yeah, break even on UK100. D30, I wasn't reading it quite right. I thought it was going to break out as well, but I liked the UK100 setup better, so did not look at this. This one also did not give any M15 low fake outs. Well, I guess maybe this first one, but it's not one that I would have noticed straight away, right? Faked out that M15 low. Yeah, so the UK100 one to me set up nicer. That was clearer for me to see right at the previous day high. Try to take a breakout. Like I said, most breakouts fail. So yeah, didn't work out, but break even, still happy with that. Yeah, so I took this because of the flip of the breakout level. Remember what I say? I always say that when that breakout level flips, it changes the bias of the bar of the chart. It changes it when it confirms it when there's a breakout bar. But if I see this happen, it does make sense for me to take an early entry, trying to get that move, continue the breakout move. Don't know if that'll happen, but we'll see. So yeah, did not see anything else. Oil, yeah, I mean it's just in this giant range. If I had to guess, everything is bearish. I would expect the same exact thing that's been happening past couple of days. Breakout day, high of the day sell, boom. Breakout day, high of the day, fake out retracement sell down to the previous day low. Next day, breakout day, high of the day sell. Is it going to happen again today? Well, we will see. Didn't happen in London, so we'll look at that in New York. Gold, nothing. Didn't see anything on gold either, so no trades on that. In terms of forex, there was a lot of news that kind of made me unable to take some of these. The ones that I liked were Euro Oz, as well as GBP NZD. Lots of GBP movement. A lot of them are all bullish, or most of them are bullish. The one I liked actually was not, but the reason why I liked GBP NZD was because it also had faked out the last um, bullish, bearish breakout level, and it flipped it yesterday. So best trades are at the swing points. Um, if it stays up, that's a swing point. I was waiting for it. It faked out the H8 low, and I wanted to take that. It was an inside bar. Inside bars create ranges. I wanted to take a breakout of that range, but there was news, so I did not try to get ahead of the news. News took it all the way up. I was hoping that the 4 hour bar close, which was here, I was hoping that the 4 hour would um, come back down and give me an entry by faking out this M15. You could see I had an alert at that M15 low. If it came down and faked that out, I could have taken that continuation, but it just went without me. So no trade on this, and Euro Oz was the other one that I liked. Same thing. I like this in Asia actually. There was a breakout level here, flipped that. I was looking for a buy in Asia, but it faked out the H4 low. I prefer an H8 to fake out, and the pairs that I traded, I thought were, um, well, I mean, I chose them because I thought they were better. This one worked out too. Nice move up. And then coming back down, I was looking to see how price would behave at that breakout level. Again, uh, right? And I was looking for a long, like what's happening right now, actually. But once this 1 hour bar closed so deep down like this, I wasn't interested anymore. I need for me to trade. Like I always say, there's only two levels I look at. There's the peak level I look at, and then there's the breakout level I look at. Um, in order for me to trade this, I needed the 1 hour traders to be on my side, and for that to happen, I needed price to come down and fake out the H1. Um, Either that or close above this breakout level, and it didn't do that during my session, so could not do it. I didn't expect price to go all the way up and fake and uh, close above the breakout level within the hour, um, and so I did not look at this again. I expected the next hour to close as an inside bar, which it did. And so when you have an inside bar, you get stuck in a range, and I did not want to get stuck in a range. So as soon as I saw this big candle, and as soon as that first 15 minutes closed, and it closed up instead of coming down to fake this out, I knew that there wasn't going to be a trade for me on Euro Oz. So that was it. Only took one trade, UK100, got taken out break even, and that's it. What else? Uh, GBP CAD, yeah, there was lots of nice trend retracement trades on GBP CAD, but the news kind of prevented me from getting in. Euro Oz, I also liked as a trend retracement, but the 8 hour close as an inside bar, it suddenly pumped up instead of down, and then so after that, I wasn't interested. There was also some random gap over here on my chart on the Oanda charts. So once I saw that, I didn't want to get involved in this. Yeah, so that's it. Did not some nice movement, but was not able to catch any of them. That's how it goes. So New York session. Let's see if I can make some up.